We're in room 5108. We've got the key cards. These were recently updated and fully renovated. So they are beautiful, beautiful rooms. You do have to put the key card here for the lights and everything to turn on. When you first walk in, there's a little mini bar. So you've got your alcohol here that is ready for you. Also some glasses as well, and a giant water bottle. And then coffee stations. We have some house blend coffee and some sugar packets, all of that. So 2 coffees, and then also a little mini bar. And here we have Imperial beer, some Sprite, Coke, more water, and some Coke and club soda. So that is the little mini bar area. And it says that drinks are replaced every 2 days. And then we've got a nice closet with double side for plenty of storage, and a little safe on that side as well. Both doors roll. Here we've got the bathroom with a nice shower, the double head shower there. The only thing I don't like is there's no glass that goes across, so it does get kind of cold in the shower with that. But nice sink, double sink here, and then just a standard toilet as well. Pretty simple bathroom, but it is quite spacious. And then we come out, we've got a nice king size bed with 2 little nightstands. Here's a spot where you can put your suitcase or storage or anything like that, with the TV and dresser here with drawers, a couch. And then we've got the phone. Here's the decor with a nice ceiling fan as well, which is great. And then the balcony is overlooking the ocean and these beautiful Costa Rica views. Also a little towel rack here, but we can see the pool and the mountains, and absolutely beautiful. This is such a great view. I am so excited. We can hear the music from the pool on the balcony, but not inside. So that's nice as well, that the balcony or the inside is nice and quiet. But here is the beautiful views of Costa Rica from our room. As you can see, we had some beautiful sunsets, which were absolutely incredible. I did hear that if you stayed on the north end of the property and had a garden view, that you could see monkeys from your room. So that is an option as well. I don't know exactly what rooms those were, but that is an option. So maybe talk to the front desk about that. But we had beautiful sunsets from our room. There was also a wedding going on, which was really fun one night to see that and see them partying. So that's an option for you as well, if you want to have your wedding there as well. It was a beautiful setup, and I could tell that they really enjoyed themselves. Now, if you want to see a full vlog and review of the Riu Guanacaste, check out this video here. Hey, no, no, no.